All living things need energy to survive. Some take in food, while others make their own food. An organism that makes its own food is called an autotroph. Plants and algae are examples of autotrophs. An organism that has to take in food is called a heterotroph. Animals and fungi are examples of heterotrophs. The most common way autotrophs make energy is the process of photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide and water are converted into glucose and oxygen through a reaction powered by sunlight. Glucose is how the plant stores its energy, while oxygen is a waste product. When a plant cell needs energy, the cell will extract it from the glucose. The process of extracting energy from glucose is called cellular respiration. There are two main types of cellular respiration: aerobic, which uses oxygen, and anaerobic, which does not use oxygen. Aerobic respiration takes oxygen and glucose and, in a complex series of reactions in the cell's mitochondria, converts them into water and carbon dioxide. The mitochondria captures the released energy in the bonds of a molecule called ATP. ATP acts as a short-term battery for the cell. When the cell needs energy, it breaks the bond of the ATP and the energy is released. The cell uses this energy to do things like build proteins or replicate DNA. If there is no oxygen present in the cell will perform anaerobic respiration. The glucose is broken down into lactic acid or ethanol. Your muscle cells produce lactic acid when they run out of oxygen, which is what makes your muscles burn after a long workout. Yeast converts glucose into ethanol and carbon dioxide. This is what makes bread rise and allows humans to produce alcoholic beverages. Anaerobic respiration is far less efficient than aerobic respiration and only produces around 6% of the energy aerobic respiration does. The waste products of aerobic respiration are used by photosynthesis to produce more glucose. This ensures the cycle of matter continues, helping to sustain our planet.